Hello Kensington parents, this is Miss Canup and I'm giving you a brief tutorial on how to sign up for your student-led parent-teacher conferences. Since the Sign Up Genius view can be vastly different from teacher to teacher depending on how they set it up, I felt that this tutorial was appropriate. Also, I'm sure that there are some families out there who have never used Sign Up Genius, so I wanted to make it as easy as possible for you. You will receive an invite from Sign Up Genius. Please be careful to check your spam envelopes in your emails, as since it is not coming from my Union County Public School email, it may go directly to your spam. Once you have located the invite, you will simply click on the hyperlink, and this is the screen that you should be taken to. And it shows you all the available slots for October 9th, 10th, and 11th. 9th is a teacher workday, and so my time slots available are from 7:40 to 3:40 in the afternoon. And on the 10th and the 11th, it is only afternoon slots available. Students are highly recommended to attend as they should be the ones leading the conference. Both parents are encouraged to attend as well. While I realize that schedules don't always allow for students or some parents to attend, I just wanted to make sure that the invitation was extended to all. Once you've decided on which time slot you want to sign up for, simply click the green Sign Up button. When you do this, you should see this screen pop up. It is a family appointment slot, and it shows you the date and the time in which you are choosing to sign up. In the My Comments section, please enter the names of all who will attend, and then choose from this drop-down menu the number of attendees. You will then need to enter your name, first and last, and then enter your email that you received the invite from. And then click Sign Up Now. For some of you, if you've never used Sign Up Genius, you'll have a pop-up window that says you need to create an account. This takes at most 2 minutes to sign up for, and it is absolutely free. I hope you enjoyed and appreciate this tutorial for how to sign up for your student-led parent-teacher conferences on the dates of October 9th, 10th, and 11th. Should you have any questions or concerns, please email me at amy.canup@ucps.k12.nc.us. And I look forward to seeing you at your appointment. Have a great day.